Hi children, okay, myself Asha Jyoti, I am the faculty of maths. So today I am going to discuss about that concept number system. Okay, before going to discuss about the concept number system, why we have to learn about that number system? What is the use with that number system? First we have to learn about that. Okay, in our day-to-day life, every day we are using numbers, right? Without mathematics, even 1 hour also we can't lead our life, right? If you want to purchase something, then you want to give some money. Okay, that money is there in that mathematics, right? So if you want to purchase some chocolates or something, okay, so if you want to distribute some chocolates among your friends, okay, then how to calculate? Again, you need to count those chocolates numbers, right? 1 2 3 4 like that. So whatever it may be, okay, if you want to use anything, each and everything is inserted in that mathematics, that is related to mathematics, right? So in that mathematics, very important concept is a number system. Okay, why? Because that is very important, because after completion of your studies, if you want to write you will go for that any job, right? So for that job you want to write some examination, you have to write. Okay, in that examination purpose, each and every competitive examination, we have the concept, the main concept, that is the number system. Without number system, there is no any other competitive examination. Okay, in that examination also we can observe that 50% or more than 50% of questions we can observe from number system in that competitive examinations. So that much of important concept is number system. Okay, so here, before going to discuss about that number system, types of numbers, those all things, first we need to discuss about that digits. Okay, so what about the digit? So just now only I told you that we are counting the numbers 1 2 3 4 and so on, right? So without digits there is no any other number. Okay, is there any possibility to form that any number except the digits? There is no possibility. But what about that digits? Digits means here, okay, a single symbol which is used to make a numeral. A single symbol which is used to make a numeral, those symbols are called digits. Okay, a single symbol which is used to make a numeral is called a digit. Okay, once again say the definition. A single symbol, okay, those all are that symbols. Which symbol we are used to make a numeral, those symbols we will call it as digits. Okay, so here 0 to 9 are called digits. Okay, what are those? 0 to 9 are called digits. Okay, so here 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once observe that these all digits, except these digits, any other symbol is there here to make any numeral? There is no any other possibility. If you want to write that any largest number or that smallest number, you have to use that any one of the symbol from these digits only. Okay, so if you want to write that 9450, once observe this number here, I written here the number 9450. So here 9 here, so 4, that one also I pick from that digits, and 5 and 0. So which number, this is a numeral, right? So in that numeral, each and every digit, each and every symbol of the digit, that one came from these digits only, 0 to 9. So without digits we can't form that any numeral. Okay, so that's why here we can say that 0 is called insignificant digit. 0 is called insignificant digit. Okay, and 1 to 9 are called significant digits. Okay, 1 to 9 are called significant digits. Why we will call that? 0 is called insignificant and 1 to 9 are called significant. But what is the meaning of significant? Significant means it has some value. Okay, so here 0 is not having any value. If you write that only 0, is that having any value? There is no value to that 0, right? If you keep that 0 to the right side of any number, left side of that 0, if you keep that any digit, any other digit, okay, except 0, if you want to keep that any other digit from that 1 to 9 to the left side of 0, then only 0 will get that value. Okay, just observe that here I taken that 1. Okay, I want to write that 0. So if I keep here 0, then this value becomes 10. Okay, why? Because I kept that 0 to the right side of 1. Okay, to the left side of 0 we have another digit. That's why here this is having some value, that is 10. Okay, for example, here I kept that 1. Now I want to write that 0 to the left side of 1. Okay, so here what is the value of that number? I written here 0, 1. So what is the value of that one? In generally we are mentioning that while we are writing that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, before that 1, in generally we will write that 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and so on. What is the meaning of that? 0, 1 means it is nothing but 1. Okay, if you write that the single digit 1 or 0, 1, whatever it may be, its value is equals to 1 only. Okay, here we are not using the value of that 0. Why? Because we kept that 0 to the left side of the digit. Okay, that's why here I am saying that wherever you write that any other digit 1, 2, 3, 4 individually if you write, or if you want to make that any numeral, then that is having some value. Okay, but here 0 only not having that value, that's why we will call that 0 is called insignificant digit. Okay, which has no value. Okay, and the leftover 1 to 9 digits are called significant digits. Okay, if you write that any one of that a single digit anywhere, if you want to write that the symbol this one, what is that number of this one? How we will call this symbol? We will call this one as 6. So this symbol having that value as 6. So I written here a single digit. I am not adding any other digits here. Just I written a single digit. I pick from that this group, right? The second group. Okay. So this is having that value. If I write here 0, 0 means nothing. So simply we can say that 0 is called insignificant digit and 1 to 9 are called significant digits. Okay. So next we will discuss about that the smallest number and the greatest number. Okay, just now only I told you that 0 is not having value. So what is the least number then? So 0 after which one is there? 0 is not having value. So which one is that next number? That is 1. 1 is that single digit. Single digit we will call it as a 1 digit number. Okay. So 1 digit smallest number is 1 and the 1 digit greatest number is 9. Okay. Next 2 digit numbers. Okay. 2 digit numbers means here if you write that digits in 2 places, we will call those numbers as 2 digit numbers. Okay, which means that numeral is having that 2 places. Okay, 2 places we are saying, so we will learn about that place values also after this one. Okay, so see here, which is that smallest 2 digit number. So after completion of 9 we will get that 1010, right? So that is 1010 is the first smallest 2 digit number. Okay, so 10. What is the greatest 2 digit number? So we have the numbers as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on up to 99. So 99 after we will get that the 3 digit number, that is 100. Okay, in 100 we have that 3 places now. So we will call those numbers are 3 digit numbers. So here what is the greatest 2 digit number? That is 99. So next 3 digit numbers. So 99 after we have that 100. So 100 is the starting first 3-digit number. So first 3-digit number become as the smallest 3-digit number, and the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, after 4-digit number. Okay, so 999 after we have that 1000. Here in that 1000 we have that 4 digits, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's why we will call these numbers are 4-digit numbers. Okay, and the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So in this way we can write that so many numbers. Why? Because what is the greatest number? Is it possible to say? It is not possible, no? That's why here we can't say that what is that greatest number. What is the smallest number we can say. Okay, the starting number is that smallest number, we can say that. What is the greatest number? Where we can end that number? Okay, that is not possible. So that is not exist. Okay, so in this way we can write that 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number, 11, 10. Okay, sorry, 10-digit number, 11-digit number, 12-digit number, and so on. Okay. So here now my question is, okay, how many 1-digit numbers are there? Do you know that answer? Okay, if you know that answer, then comment in that box. Okay, if you have any doubt, then I will clear your doubt. Okay, so see here, 1 to 9 single digit numbers we are saying. So how many single digit numbers are there? So by using our fingers or whatever it may be, we can say that 9 numbers are there. Just say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So by using hands also we can say that 9 1-digit numbers are there. How many 2-digit numbers are there? Is it possible to count that 2-digit numbers by using our fingers? It is not possible. Here 1 to 9, that is possible, that's why we counted. Okay, but here 10 to 99, how we will count those all numbers? It is not possible, no? So that's why we have here one of the formula. Okay, that is numbers from A to B. Okay, if you want to find that how many numbers are there, from A to B. Okay, from A to B. Here I taken that any two numbers are A and B. So let A and B are any two numbers. A and B are any two numbers. So I taken here A and B are any two numbers. Now I want to calculate that how many numbers are there. So here I can take that A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 9. So from 1 to 9 how many numbers are there? That's what my question, right? So now if you know that answer, then you can write in that comment box how many 2-digit numbers are there. Okay, and in the same way how many 3-digit numbers are there. But how to find? By using that formula. So what is that formula here? So that is B minus A plus 1. Okay, what is that formula? B minus A plus 1. So here what about that B? Okay, and we know that if you will subtract that the smallest number from that greatest number, then only you will get that positive number. Okay, we will learn that one in integers topic, right? So in general cases from childhood onwards we are learning that, right? From the always from the largest number only we can subtract that smallest number. Okay, from the childhood onwards we know that rule. Okay, so what about that B here? B is that greatest number. Here we are going to take that any two numbers, right? A and B. So in that A and B, B is that greatest number and A is that smallest number. Okay, so here B minus A plus 1. I am going to apply that formula to that 1-digit numbers. So here in that 1-digit number, what is the greatest number here? That is 9. So B is equals to 9 minus A is equals to the smallest number I am saying. So I am consider that A is equals to 1. So 9 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, why we are adding here plus 1 means from we are calculating from. Okay, from A to B. So including A and B also we need to count. That's why here plus 1. Okay, Or else if somebody will ask you that how many numbers lies in between 1 and 9. In between 1 and 9 means no need to calculate that 1 and 9. No need to add that 1 and 9. Okay, but here my question is from means we have to add that A and B also included. Okay, so 9 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So your answer is 9. Okay, that's what we got here, right? So apply the same formula for 2-digit numbers here. So 10 and here 99. What is the greatest number? Greatest 2-digit number is 99. Okay, and the smallest 2-digit number is here minus 10. Okay, and the formula plus 1. So 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. Easy calculation this is. No need to calculate that 99 minus 10 is equals to 89. 89 plus 1 is equals to 90. Okay, directly say that 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. This is easy, no? Okay, so here how many 2-digit numbers are there? 92-digit numbers are there. Okay, and in the same way, how many 3-digit numbers are there? So apply that. 999 minus 100 plus 1. So 999 plus 1 is equals to 1000. 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. So we have that 900 3-digit numbers are there. Okay, how many 3-digit numbers are there? 900 3-digit numbers are there here. Okay. So and in the same way now 9000 4-digit numbers are there and so on. So by using this formula we can find that. Okay, for here I told you that how many that number, the largest number we can't say. If that largest number is there, that number is consisting that n digits. That number is consisting n digits. Then how to find that how many n digit numbers are there? By using this formula, is it possible to find that how many n-digit numbers are there? It is not possible. Why? Because 2-digit numbers are there. So we can write that the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay. After by using this formula, we will get that 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. But what about that n-digit numbers? Okay. That's why we have here another formula. Okay. That one. Okay. Just observe here. How many 1-digit numbers are there? Yes, 9. So 9 we can write it as 9 into 10 to the power of 0. 9 into 10 to the power of 0. Okay. Why? Because here I written 10 means you know that in our generally we are using the decimal system, right? So here in that one we are calculating for every 10. Okay. That's why I added here 10. So 9 into 10 to the power of 0 in exponents concept. In generally, okay, the basic one is anything power 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so again 9 into 1 is equals to 9. So 10 to the power of 0 value is 1. So 9 into 1 is equals to, again we will get that one as 9 only, no? That's why I written here this is in the form of 9 into 10 to the power of 0. Okay, so and another rule also there here. Why? Because 90 is there. 9 is the multiple of 90 is the multiple of 9, and in the same way 10 also no. So we can write that one as 9 into 10, and this is 9 into 100. 100 means again we can write it as 10 into 10. Okay, 9000. So 9 into 1000. 1000 again we can write it as 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, in that manner I written here 10. Okay, so this one 9 into 10. Yes or no? 9 into 10 is equals to 90. So 10 power here I written 0. So shall I write here 1? In the previous one I written that 0. So shall I write here 1? Yes, of course. Why? Because anything power 1 is equals to again the value itself, right? So that's why here 9 into 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 value is again 10 only. So 9 into 10 is equals to 90. And here this is 9 into 100. No, 100 how we can express? 100 we can express it as 10 to the power of 2. 10 square means 100. So 9 into 100 is equals to 900. Okay. So this one we can write it as 9 into 10 cube and so on. Okay, once observe this one, here this is not a formula, from this one we will write that formula. Okay, so after generalization, this is 9 into 10 to the power of 0, we can express it as 1 minus 1. Shall we write like that? 1 minus 1, again 0 only, no? Why I written here 1 also, I will tell that one. Just to say that one we will write it as 9 into 10 to the power of 1 minus 1. And this one we can write it as 9 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 1. 9 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 1. And this one I am going to write it as 9 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 1. And this is 9 into 10 to the power of 4 minus 1. And so on. Okay, so here 10 to the power of 4 minus 1 means 10 cube, and 3 minus 1 means 10 square. 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 minus 1 is equals to 10 to the power of 0. So after simplification, again you are getting these values only, no? Okay, but here you may get the doubt. Okay, why madam you written here 1, 2, 3, 4? How we can know that? Yes, that 1, 2, 3, 4 I didn't write from any other way. I written from here only, that is number of digits. Once observe that number of digits. Here this is a 1 digit number, so that's why I written here 1 minus 1. And this is a 2 digit number, so here 2 minus 1, 2, that is 1. And this is a 3 digit number, so 3 minus 1. Minus 1 is in common, but here minus 1 before which number I written, that is depend on that number of digits of a given number. Okay, so this is 9 into 10 to the power of 4 minus 1. Why? Because that is a 4 digit number. Okay, so for example, how many 10 digit numbers are there? 10 digit numbers are there. How we will write this one means that is also same 9 into 10 digits I am saying. 9 into 10 is in common. 10 digits I am saying. So 10 to the power of 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Okay, in this way we can write that. Okay, how many 11 digit numbers are there? 9 into 10 to the power of 11 minus 1. How many 100 digit numbers are there? Okay, then how we can write? 9 into 10 to the power of 100 minus 1. 9 into 10 to the power of 100 minus 1. In this way we can write for that any number of, how many number of n digit numbers are also there. Okay, n digit numbers I am saying here n is equals to 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number. For example, that given number is having that n digit numbers. How many? N digited number, that is a n digited number. Then how many n digited numbers are there? So in this way we can write it easily, no? 2 digited numbers means 9 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 1. 3 digit numbers means 9 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 1. And in the same way 11 digit numbers means 9 into 10 to the power of 11 minus 1. 12 digit number 9 into 10 to the power of 12 minus 1. Okay, so I am asking about that n digit numbers. So here after generalization, this one, here we will get the formula as 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. So this is the formula we can use for that n digited numbers. Okay, so what is that formula here? 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, here n is equals to number of digits of a given number. Number of digits of a given number. Okay, so by using this formula also we can find that these all numbers. Okay, just one example. Here my question is, how many 6-digit numbers are there in all? 6-digit numbers. Okay, here again no need to write that what is the greatest 6-digit number and what is the smallest 6-digit number. Again need to calculate that b minus a plus 1. Okay, there is no need to use that formula here. Directly we can apply that the formula 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, here what is that formula? 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, I told you that what is that? N is equals to here number of digits. Number of digits. So how many digits number that is? That is a 6-digit number. So here directly we can say that n is equals to 6. So apply that one. 9 into 10 to the power of 6 minus 1. So we will get this one as 9 into 10 to the power of 5. That's it. No need to simplify that. Okay, if you want to simplify that, then you can simplify it. 9 into 10 to the power of 5 means 1 after how many zeros? 5 zeros. Okay, so these many 6-digit numbers are there. Is it clear? Okay. For example, here my question is, how many 11-digit numbers are there? How many 11-digit numbers are there? So simply we can change that. 9 into 10 to the power of 11 minus 1. So we will get this one as 9 into 10 to the power of 10. 10 to the power of 10. Okay. Did you understand this? And in the same way, how many 20-digit numbers are there? How many 20-digit numbers are there? Okay. So here n is equals to, just simplify that, n is equals to 20, substitute it, 20 minus 1. So 20 minus 1 is nothing but 10 to the power of 19. So how many 20-digit numbers are there? 9 into 10 to the power of 19 20-digit numbers are there. So by using this formula, we can find that any number of digits. Okay. So once again I am saying that what is the formula to find that how many n-digit numbers are there in all. So the formula is 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Okay. So in this video what we learned? So what is the importance of number system, we learned that, and what about the digits, and in the same way what is that smallest digit, I mean what is the smallest number and what is the greatest number, and how many n-digit numbers are there in all. Okay, these concepts we discussed in this video, right? So in that next video we will discuss about that place values, face values and the types of numbers. Okay, those all topics we will discuss in that next video. Okay, once again I am asking that what is the formula to find that number of n-digit numbers, how many n-digit numbers are there in all. Those two questions are also same only. So here the formula is 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, this is very important formula, that's why I am repeating this formula. Okay.